G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In front of us here we have a 2018 Kenworth T880 wrecker. White and yellow. Very nice looking truck. Nice display box as well, nothing on the back there, nothing on the ends. A few details on the bottom. There we go, so we'll get this out. Okay. They're keeping pretty well protected. I'm not sure if the boom moves or not, I don't know. Probably won't. Let's have a look. Yeah, awesome. That looks really good. Now, so it does move up and down, but it doesn't extend. Yeah, so it does move. So that, yeah. Again, that doesn't extend, but it does move down. Yeah, so like it's got all the detail there, but it doesn't do anything. So yeah, we can put that up and then that down. But yeah, it doesn't do anything else. It does rotate, so that's okay. It does rotate, doesn't stay right up. There we go. So that comes there, down. Yeah, righto. It really would be good if the boom did move. That would be good. That's okay. Got most of the features there. We've got obviously a light bar at the top there on the rotator itself, and then another light bar over here. Exhaust stacks there. They are sort of hollowed out a little bit, but they're not black inside. Now, do these? No, they don't. Right, yeah, so those legs don't extend either. So, oh, that's all right. Okay, let's start off at the front here. So we have a chrome bumper there, but we've also got another black piece underneath there. Got our toe point on the front. Grille looks okay. I'm not sure whether they would have been lights, I don't know, but they're just chrome pieces at the moment. Headlights look good. No sort of problems there. I think that looks okay. Windscreen looks good. It's got some black windscreen wipers there. There's a visor up here, and we have 4 horns with our marker lights up the top there. I've got mirror, and then I'm assuming just here we've got aerial, short aerial on the mirror arms there. And then we'd have over this side here, we've got the mirror, which faces down here so they can see on the side. And we've got 2 work lights up here, which are just all chrome. So it's just a day cab, so no sleeper. Got the fuel tank here. And it's a battery box in there. Got all the doors don't open or anything, but you can see all the details of it. Yeah, so you got T880 on the door, and I'm not sure what else that is. We've got a small Kenworth up the top there with a vent on the bonnet. we've got on the side here which would be the rubber ends. Century. Which I think Century, I think that's the type of arm here, recovery boom. I think that's the company, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we've got lights here, which are they? Oh yeah, they're lens. They're all lens pieces here. There, all the lights. We have our number plate here, which is a, and look at it, magnifying glass again. Settle. It's either Alabama, I think it is. Alabama or Alaska, either one. Okay, you can see winches here. That looks like jerry cans to me, or would it be? Don't know. Could be weights or something else. I don't know. There's a few things on here. And on the passenger side here, everything looks good. So I'd say that's an AdBlue tank there. So there we go. So that's pretty cool. Rolls right. Actually, that's pretty good actually for IXO model. They got the wheels not too bad there. They are still a little wobbly, but sort of rolls all right. And nothing there. That one doesn't move. Or tag axle, which is steering axle as well. Yep. So we can see that axle there has a steering arm on it. So I think this was a steerable axle, I think. Yeah, that's cool. So it does lift up like so, and that does go down. Let me get on the turntable for you. Alright, you can see it better there without my big fingers in the way. So looking good. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. I do have a few of these on my eBay store at the time of recording this video. Whether they're still there or not, I don't know. So yeah, that's cool. That lifts up, goes down. So yeah, but it's all just hard plastic lines there. So all right. Okay, please check out the other videos popping up on the screen. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the channel as much as you can, and we'll see all you good people on the next video. Bye for now.